Holy shit. Yo, is that a Suron?
It is, yeah.
Holy shit, I haven't seen one of these in person.
I just snapped it up if you want.
It's the Ultra B, or which one is it?
Yeah, the light B.
Light B?
Mm-hmm.
God damn.
Yeah, the Ultra B is the bigger one, and actually the Storm B is the biggest one of them.
Oh, okay, I got you. Where'd you get it?
I just ordered it on Lunicycle.
Hell yeah.
I think that's the only place you can order them in the U.S. is Lunicycle.
How long you had it?
Like probably like a month or two.
You like it?
I love it.
I was about to say, it must be nice, like having it so quiet so you can just kind of go wherever and not worry about it.
It's really nice. I mean, riding on the roads, I mean, I've not been bothered by any cops or anything. I put a new sprocket on there. I got the upgraded battery.
Oh, so she can get up, like get up?
Yeah, it gets up to like 50.
Damn.
And I mean, the battery lasts forever too. We just rode around forever and I'm still like 85%.
Really? So they're like really good?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, I've been watching hella videos on YouTube, like,
yes.
What's that guy? Talon Pemberton or some shit like that?
That kid is nuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was showing him some of those videos. Remember that kid that was jumping around at the Home Depot?
Yeah, I seen that one, dude. He's in that fucking huge hip, bro.
Yeah,
that shit was nuts.
Yeah, it's just crazy.
Damn.
But yeah, I mean, it goes up to like 50, and then yeah, man, I got a new controller that's coming too.
Dang, bro, I'm gonna have to get me one of these.
Yeah, I have a dirt bike, and I like this thing so much more than it, to be honest.
Really? Yeah.
You can take it anywhere.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That sound, like, there's no sound, so like, or there's like little sound, so.
Cops really don't bother you.
I was riding through downtown, and the cop pulled up, and he's like, "What is that?"
Yeah, they don't even know what it is. Yeah.
Like, what is that? And then you can also get a fake pedal kit, so that.
Oh, really?
So that it looks like an e-bike. Yeah.
Ah. Damn.
Yeah, so if people really get, you know, bothered by comps, that's how you can get away with it, is by putting, because it's technically a class 3 e-bike, it just doesn't have the functioning pedals.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, all right, fellas.
Have a good one.
Yep, you too.